Hello everyone, my name is Gifty, your regular chef. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious minced beef fried rice. So to start with our minced beef fried rice, I added some water to the pan to boil, and I added some salt to taste, some red onion and some olive oil. So here I'm going to add my basmati rice. I'm using the golden basmati rice. You can choose to use any rice of your choice. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So here, as you can see, we're going to have our ginger paste for our fried rice. So I added some ginger, some green chilies and some spring onion, and we're going to grind it to a paste form. And we're going to set it aside for later. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And now our rice has been parboiling for about 20 minutes, and we're going to sieve it and drain some of the water out and set it aside for our minced beef fried rice. So as you can see, look at that, our grain is looking lovely and very tasty. You need to try this recipe out. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And please don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram, DEDAASDELITE. Thank you. So now we're about to start with our minced beef fried rice. On a medium high heat, added some olive oil. I'm adding my ginger paste. And we're going to cook it for about a minute. And we're going to add our minced beef. So I'm using steak beef. You can choose to use any minced meat that you want. You can use chicken, you can use pork. And we're going to cook it for about 2 to 5 minutes. So as you can see, our minced beef has been cooking for about 5 minutes now, and we're going to add our vegetables. You can choose to use any vegetables of your choice. So I added some red onion, some chopped tomatoes, I seasoned it with some curry powder, some red bell peppers, and you're going to add some cayenne pepper. You can add more pepper if you want more spicy. So we're going to cook this for about 5 minutes. So as you can see, our vegetables and meat has been cooking for an extra 5 minutes, and look at the aroma, the flavors, the taste. I'm telling you, this is a very simple and quick recipe. So I season it with some salt. You can choose to use any seasoning of your choice. And now we're going to add our rice and mix everything together and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Please don't forget to comment down below if you want me to do any new recipes, and please help your girl to get to 2K subscribers. As you can see, my followers love me so much, and we are about 1.6K followers. I know we can do it. As you can see, our minced beef fried rice is ready. Look at that, it's so lovely and easy and tasty. So we're going to garnish it with some spring onion, and now our rice is ready. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you to all my lovely subscribers and viewers. I love you all. Bye bye. Hello everyone, my name is Gifty, your regular chef. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make this lovely tasty rice and beans. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So here I have my black-eyed beans, which have been soaked for 24 hours, which helps to reduce the cooking time and also helps not to add baking soda as well. So please, I advise to soak your beans the day before. So here I have some onions and some garlic, which I'm going to chop and add it to my rice and beans to add more aromatic flavors and also make it taste really nice. I'm telling you, this recipe is simple, tasty and flavorful. Sometimes you have to just relax on a baking soda and a watch leaves. Yes. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to share my videos. Thank you. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, DEDAASDELITE, on TikTok, DEDAASDELITE, and please don't forget to comment down below if you want me to do any new recipes. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So here on a medium high heat, I added some water to my pot to a boiling point, and now I washed my beans and I'm going to cook it with some thyme to give it that fresh flavor from the herbs. Yes, so we're going to cook this for about 35 minutes. So look at that, our beans has been cooked for about 35 minutes, and it's not too hard and it's not too soft. And yes, and this is the time we're going to add our blended onion and garlic. And here I'm adding about 400 grams of coconut milk. If you don't want the coconut milk, you can choose to take it out as well. And here I have basmati rice. You can choose to use any rice of your choice. And now I'm going to season it with some salt. I'm using only salt for this recipe. You can choose to use any seasoning as well if you want. And this flavor, I'm telling you, the whole house is smelling so good and so aromatic. So we're going to leave it and cover it and cook it for about 20 minutes with some foil. So as you can see, the water is simmered down a bit for about 20 minutes, and we're going to stir it. Yes, we're going to stir it a bit and leave it to cook for about 10 minutes, and our rice and beans will be done. I'm telling you, if you get some nice stew, some shito, anything you can eat with this rice. Yes, and now our rice and beans is ready. Look at that. So simple, delicious, flavorful, so soft, so aromatic. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you to all my lovely subscribers and viewers. Hello everyone, my name is Gifty, your regular chef. Welcome to my channel, DEDAASDELITE. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious mutton biryani. So as you can see, we soaked our rice for an hour, which has been washed, and I'm using basmati rice for this recipe. You can choose to use any rice of your choice. And here I have my boiling water, which I season with some butter, cinnamon sticks, some cloves, some star anise, some bay leaves, and I added some salt to taste. So here we're going to boil our rice for 10 minutes. So as you can see, our rice is ready, and we're going to set it aside for later. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So on a medium high heat, I added some sunflower oil, and we're going to fry our onion till it's brown and crispy. Please don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram, DEDAASDELITE, and on TikTok, DEDAASDELITE. So here we have our mutton meat, which has been washed. So with this recipe, I'm using mutton. You can choose to use any meat of your choice. So you're going to season it with some curry powder, turmeric powder, paprika, chili powder, some yogurt, and some salt to taste. And we're going to mix everything together and leave it for an hour. You can choose to do it overnight as well. So as you can see, our onion is ready. Look at that. It's so brown and crispy, and we're going to use it for our recipe. This onion is going to give us extra flavor. So on a medium high heat, you're using the same pan and oil we use in frying our onion. So I added some ginger paste, some garlic paste, some cinnamon sticks, bay leaves, peppercorns, cumin seeds, and some cloves and star anise. So I'm going to list down the ingredients in my description box. So you're going to fry it for a minute, and now you're going to add our seasoned mutton, and we're going to cook it for about 10 minutes. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So now our meat has been cooking for about 10 minutes, and look at how juicy it looks. Our spices and ingredients is making our meat so juicy. So now I added some green chilies and some slices of tomatoes, and we are adding some of our crispy onion as well. We're going to leave it to cook for about 10 minutes. So whilst our meat is cooking, we're going to soak our saffron for our biryani. And if you don't have any saffron, you can choose to use any food color of your choice. So as you can see, our meat has been cooking and it looks so delicious. So now we're going to put our biryani together. So I'm just garnishing it with some fresh tomatoes. You can choose not to add it, but I love tomatoes as well. So we're going to add our rice and spread everything to cover our meat and sauce. So after that, we're going to add our saffron water, because I don't like to see the saffron seeds in my rice, but you can choose to add yours as well. And I'm going to add our crispy onions. Yes, it's going to make our food very tasty and delicious. And after that, we're going to add some coriander leaves and some fresh mint. And we're going to cover it and add a butter to it and leave it to steam for about 10 minutes. And our biryani will be ready. Please don't forget to comment down below if you want me to do any new recipes. So now our biryani has been cooking for about 10 minutes, and look at that. It's so tasty and juicy. Our meat is tender, and look how you need to try this recipe out. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And now our food is ready, and I couldn't wait, so I just have to dish myself a portion. So as you can see, I just garnished it with some fresh coriander and some crispy onions. And look at that, our meat is tender, everything is juicy. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you to all my lovely subscribers. Bye bye.